A war happened in 1862. A young correspondent, George Smalley,
On a cloudy and foggy morning, September 17, 1862, a heavy war is about to start over the quiet fields of Maryland. Thousands of soldiers waited for the signal, a signal that would change their lives forever. This was the battlefield of Antietam, known as the bloodiest war in American history. George Smalley, a young correspondent for the New York Tribune, a first-hand witness to the Battle of Antietam.
Something terrible is about to happen. I must see it. Deliver the truth.
Fire keeps on erupting every direction. George Smalley watches everyone, officers shouting orders. As George Smalley rides to another front, he saw a sunken farm road. It looks peaceful from far away, but when he looks closely, it was filled with blood. Smalley forces himself to write every detail he saw, to let the world know what happened. George Smalley reaches the stone bridge guarded by Confederate sharpshooters. The Union forces break through. The bridge is theirs, but at a terrible cost. As the sun sets, the battlefield was silent except those who groaned because wounded. Right after hearing it, he rides through the night to send his report to the newspaper.
The world must know the truth. They must see what I have seen.
George Smalley didn't just report the battle, he was recording history.